All right, welcome everyone. That's where we're at today. That's through step 21. Got that front piece put on yesterday, or I think it was actually this morning. Like I say, I'm still having a hard time keeping track which time of day each video goes up, but we're making some good progress. Basically, all we got left is the engine and the outer shell, I guess you'd call it. But with that being said, I'm ready to jump into step 22. So let's get you up there a little bit and start grabbing some pieces out of here. Yeah, it looks like we're going to do... Okay. Yeah, looks like got some gears coming, so it's got to be getting close to putting the guts in there. E8, 9, 10 times 2. 28, 29, and a 10 times 2, 10. Another depth gauge there, it looks like, and 11 times 2. 12. Oh, the gears, okay. I was looking for another little thing. Let's see here. 12 times 2, 13 times 2. Hang on. Okay, that was weird. It was either the wind or I've got a ghost. 11, so 12 times 2. Okay. 13 times 2. 14, another gear, excellent. And then, don't you fall down. P5 times 4. P11, which is a 90 mil one, so that's got to be the longest one here. Yep. All right. And here we go. Getting all the nooks and crannies sanded out here. And like I've said before, I don't think there's any real advantage to doing that, but other than just being super meticulous about it, I don't foresee it anything that would be a mechanical advantage here. And all right. Sometimes I worry about my cat. She's actively trying to scratch litter that doesn't exist into her litter box. But she's not sweet, but she's a cat. She likes me when she likes me and doesn't like me most of the time. Okay, and so I didn't do my depth gauge thing. There's no litter there, girl. You're scratching the side of your litter box. All right. Okay, so 10. Those go in there. And this guy goes on to stabilize them. Hopefully. Yeah, there you go. Pretty deep depth gauge for us. And then go right into it. Okay. One on. Depth gauge. Down. Okay. Then we go over to these. 11. Okay. Okay, and they are marked. Which one's going where? We got the triangle going to the triangle, and the circle going to the circle. So that's good. Let's see here. They go to with the notches to the outside, which also makes sense. So oh, is that right? Okay, yep. Oh, both of them go together. So we're okay. So sort of loosey-goosey in there. Sort of surprising. Thought they'd be snug. No. Okay. Circle. Nope, those are loosey-goosey. Okay, well, it looks like they're going to tighten up against each other, though. Yeah. Yep. Well, once this one gets on, I'll put you on the side. And you're also loosey-goosey. Oh, yeah, those are not. Unusual for these kits. Usually you can hardly get them together, so it's somewhat of a relief. Okay. Okay, so these are going to be run through this hole here. So it goes on to this side, straight through, get you out. I'm going to run you all the way through and run it back. And are these supposed to be, wait a second, is that supposed to be, actually that's, I was worried about it being, there's where it's supposed to lock into the, okay. Yeah, get our smokestack turning whenever we get situated here. Let me look back here. Yeah, actually I think I can go ahead and drop this guy on too. I think I've got enough maneuverability here to gently run you down and through there, through there, locked in so I can go. You and then you and yeah, we're in place there. Nice. And that is the end of step 22. So it's always nice to get that clockwork mechanism in all of them going. And now I see why we didn't have to wax that one, because we've already pre-waxed this one. So that makes somewhat a bit of sense. Still looking forward to getting this a little more stabilized. So that'll be cool to get that done. Is that going to be next step maybe? Nope. Next step looks like we're doing more gears back here. So we're doing both ends and working towards the middle, it looks like. Alright. Anyway, that's a good 8.5, almost 9 minutes now. So that seems like a good place to stop. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.